To all my dear friends of the Vedic Astrology Global channel, Namaskar. Friends, today let us try to help the Vrishchika Rasi, Scorpio zodiac sign. A large number of my viewers are Scorpios, and they often message me about the many difficulties in their lives, specifically, the problems they have been facing over the last 11 to 12 years. Let us try to find a solution for this. This is not just my personal opinion, we have discussed this topic thoroughly in our scholarly circles. What exactly is happening to Scorpios, and also to Capricorn's Makaram Rasi? Why are they experiencing so much hardship over the last 10 to 12 years? The astrological explanation. If we think about it, we see the special influence of Sani Bhagavan, Lord Saturn, specifically the Azarashani, 7.5-year transit that happens in the Gochara transit state. Saturn is not considered a friend of Mars Chova, the ruler of the Scorpio sign. When Saturn specifically enters Scorpio, which is the 8th house of the Kala Purusha chart, it means that the purpose of this birth, especially for those born under Scorpio Rasi or Scorpio Lagna, is not to suffer needlessly. Rather, it is to cleanse and purify the negative results dashams of their previous lives. The Scorpio birth is something the soul chooses and takes on intentionally. When we are born, our soul itself seeks to lessen the burden of the troubles from past lives. It is a weight of sins papamuda. By taking birth in Scorpio, the 8th house, they remove all the defects accumulated in past lives, preparing to move to the 9th house Danu, Jupiter, who is the guru. What happens for this purification to take place? Sani Bhagavan delivers the appropriate hardships in the life of a Scorpio native, according to all the negative actions and mistakes committed in previous births. This could happen in childhood for some, or in old age for others. But almost 99% of Scorpios will experience some kind of pain. There is no change to that. If there is a 1% who escape, it would be a great miracle. This pain could be related to family issues, financial problems dana dashams, or health problems arogya dashams. In some way or another, they will experience difficulties. The solution: the power of positive mindset. So, in this video, what can we do to help Scorpios overcome their current immense difficulties? I am not saying we can remove all dashams 100%, that is decided by God, the universal power. But there is a way we should ask the power. We must be very positive and avoid crying. Those Scorpios cannot help but cry because of their experiences. Still, you must adopt the attitude that, all the suffering until now was for cleansing my defects, and believe that the universal power will surely come and make the rest of your life better. This is step number 1. You must pray with faith. The challenge of faith in the mind. Faith is a huge difficulty for Scorpios. Why? Because the moon Chandra, which governs the mind Manikaraka, is debilitated Nisha in the Scorpio sign. As a result, they are mentally very weak and exhausted. From this exhaustion, a certain kind of courage arises, which is what most Scorpios have. But where does this lead? To a loss of confidence. They think, this is what has always happened in my life, so it will continue to be this way. In this state, when we pray to God or the power, our mental state is crucial. The universal power has no agenda. It is said that what you ask for, you receive. Haven't you heard this from the Bible? Lord Krishna says the same in the Bhagavad Gita, and it is in the Quran. All religious texts say the same thing: we receive what we ask for. So, if we ask from a state of distress, what kind of result will we get? Do you understand how this works? This is why many rituals involve good fragrance, color, and sound. All these elements are brought together during a puja to help remove the negativity from our minds. The ancient gurus and acharyas knew this. If we go before God and ask for our needs very positively, things will start to happen to a certain extent. Specific spiritual remedies. Why are remedies important? Because they strengthen the mind. Let's take Scorpio Rasi again. Since the moon is debilitated, the deity that must be worshipped is Bhadrakali Amma. Everyone knows this. When the moon is debilitated, it is Bhadrakali. When the moon is strong, it is Durga Amma. You can understand many things about the powerful form of Bhadrakali, the 1,000 arms, the extended tongue, by searching online. When we worship her fierce nature with increasing courage, our mind becomes strong. If the mind is strong, everything can be achieved. This is the entire point. All methods, from the law of attraction to simple rituals, from pujas costing millions to an archana costing 5 rupees, or even just self-motivation, the core of everything is to strengthen and calm one's mind. You know that people who are mentally stressed experience unnecessary illnesses. Modern science says that diseases arise because unconscious thoughts accumulate in the deep mind. Therefore, we must learn to strengthen the mind. Practical steps. What can Scorpios do? If they have faith, they can worship Bhadrakali Amma. This is a powerful medicine to strengthen the mind. If their faith is not strong in Kali, then they should sincerely worship their own God, Jesus, Allah, or any deity. All religions are one. The more sincerely you worship, the more your mind will be strengthened. The mind is so powerful that if you ask with courage and self-belief, the mountain will come to you. Scorpios need to strengthen their minds. The planetary combinations are designed to prevent the mind from being strong, as this is carried over from past lives. If you have Ganda Dasham's major flaws, consult a good acharya, check your horoscope Jathakam and remove those dashams. After that, perform Kali Puja or other trusted rituals. You can also use flower medicines like Bach flower remedies. The speaker mentions junction, which is likely gorse or gentian for despair, but this must be done after checking the combination. Observing the Purnami Vratam full moon fast or visiting Murugan temples on a full moon are also ways to strengthen the moon mind. Conclusion. Strengthen your mind, friends. You will definitely be able to come out of your current problems. The universe knows everything and will give you the answer and the path. If we find that path, understand it correctly, and follow it, everything will surely be alright. I will conclude this video here. Please share this video and subscribe to my channel. I consider this video a medium for sharing the little knowledge I have with you. Please cooperate with me. Namaskar.